Hello guys, in this video tutorial I will show you how to make a standalone HomeKit compatible temperature and humidity sensor. To build this, you need to have an Esp8266 board and a DHT11 temperature sensor module for Arduino. First thing first, you have to install Vagrant and VirtualBox to set up a virtual environment to build your firmware. If you want to know how to do this, hit pause and go check my other video with a HomeKit compatible LED. Follow all the steps in that video carefully from the beginning until the 4th minute, and then you will have your virtual machine ready to build any HomeKit firmware. I will put a link of the video in the description below. Now we are ready to build the HomeKit firmware for the temperature sensor. First, let's connect the sensor with our Esp8266. I am using a breadboard to make things easier, but if you want a more permanent solution, you can solder the sensor on the board. Connect the pins of the sensor to the Esp8266 board according to its label. VCC goes to 3.3, ground goes to ground, and the data pin is connected to GPIO4 of the board. This is the D2 pin on the Node MCU board, but check your board's pinout diagram to be sure. There are many models of the sensor on the market with different pin order, so be careful and make sure you are going to connect the pins of the sensor to the correct pins on the board. Now that you have everything connected, connect your board to your PC and from the Vagrant cell, navigate into the ESP HomeKit demo directory, type this command and hit enter. This command will build and flash the firmware to the Esp8266 board. If your final screen is looking like this, press Ctrl X to exit the process and close the window. Open the Home app in your iPhone or iPad and press the button to add a new accessory. Then select the I don't have a code option and you should see the temperature sensor. Select it, fill the code with ones and wait for it to pair. This is it guys. If you find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.